Hi everyone, welcome back to 30 days of our Azure DevOps challenge. Today, let's talk about how pipelines become smarter. We are covering the three key features in Azure pipeline that helps you build intelligent, flexible and automations. That is triggers, variables and conditional logic. Let's break each of them down in the most practical way. First up, triggers. A trigger is basically the reason your pipeline runs. Usually, the pipeline starts when you push code to a branch like main. That's the default. But you can also trigger a pipeline manually, like clicking a button, run it on a schedule, say every night at 2 a.m., or set it to run only when a pull request is created. This gives you full control over when and why your pipeline runs, just like setting a timer or choosing a specific event to act on. Next, variables. Imagine you are using the same environment name, version number, or folder path in multiple steps. Instead of repeating it again and again, you just define it once as a variable. It's kind of like saving something in your clipboard and pasting it wherever you need it. So, if tomorrow you need to switch from dev to broad environment, you just change the variable in one place to another, and the rest of the pipeline automatically pick it up. Variable makes your pipeline cleaner, more usable and easier to maintain. And finally, conditions. Let's be honest, not every steps in a pipeline should run every single time. Here's few real world examples. You only want to run test if the build pauses. You want to deploy only when the branch is main. Or maybe you want to send a notification only if something fails. That is, if X happen, do Y. This is how real DevOps pipeline works in companies. They are not linear, they are smart and flexible. They make decisions as they run, based on what's happening in real time. So to recap, triggers lets you decide when to run your pipeline. Variables help you write cleaner, flexible YAML. Condition control which steps run and when. You now have the core tools to build dynamic, reliable and professional pipelines in Azure DevOps. In the next section, we will see the difference between the build pipeline and release pipeline. DevOps is something you enjoy, not something you fear. See you on day 11. Thank you.